Want to capture exactly what you see on your screen in seconds? Windows offers several super easy ways to take screenshots. Whether you need to snag a quick image for a friend, document a pesky error message, or even create your own awesome tutorial videos, let's dive into how you can do it. The most common method is using the good old print screen key. Simply press the PRTSCN key, often found in the top right of your keyboard. This captures your entire screen and stores it temporarily in your clipboard. To see the captured image, you'll need to paste it into another application. Try opening Paint, a Word document, or even your email and press Ctrl+V. Your screenshot will appear, ready to be saved. For a more focused approach, the Windows key print screen combination is fantastic. This instantly takes a screenshot of your entire screen and automatically saves it as a file. You'll find these automatic saves in your Pictures folder, inside a dedicated Screenshots subfolder. Super convenient for keeping track of all your captures. For more advanced control, Windows has the fantastic Snipping tool. Search for Snipping tool in the Windows search bar and open it up. This lets you choose your capture type: freeform, rectangular, window, or full screen. Select New and then choose the shape you want to capture. Drag your mouse around the specific area you want to image, and voila! You can then annotate, highlight, or directly save your snip from within the Snipping tool. It's perfect for capturing specific elements of your screen without extra steps. A modern and quick alternative is the Windows key Shift-S shortcut. This activates the Snipping tool's capture bar directly on your screen. You can then choose to capture a rectangular area, a freeform region, a specific window, or the entire screen. Once you've made your selection, the screenshot is automatically copied to your clipboard, and a notification will appear, which you can click to open and save the image in the Snipping tool. So, whether you're using the classic print screen, the automatic saving method, or the versatile Snipping tool, taking screenshots on your Windows PC or laptop is incredibly straightforward. Happy capturing!